Greetings children. I am very glad to meet you through this module. I have chosen this lesson to be as a presentation because it is easy for you to listen through the presentation and go through the content in the PDF and get through the lesson. The lesson we are going to start today is Minerals in India. Minerals, let us first know the explanation of the word minerals. Minerals are the natural occurring homogeneous substance in the Earth's crust. Every mineral has its own definite chemical and physical properties. When it is found in the Earth's crust along with the rock and soil, it is extracted through ore reduction process. The minerals can be broadly classified into two types based upon their physical and chemical properties. They are metallic and non-metallic minerals. Before we get to know about the differences between metallic and non-metallic minerals, let us discuss a further classification of the metallic minerals. Metallic minerals can be further classified into ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. The minerals which has the deposit of iron is said to be as ferrous metallic mineral. The minerals which do not have the iron in it is said to be as non-ferrous minerals. The examples of ferrous metallic minerals are iron ore. The examples of non-ferrous minerals are copper and bauxite. Now let us discuss the differences between metallic and non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals always contain metal in the raw form, from which metal can be extracted. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal in them. These metals are generally associated with igneous rock. I mean, the metallic minerals are usually found in the igneous rock, that is of volcanic origin. But non-metallic minerals are generally associated with sedimentary rocks, that is along the riverbed and seabeds, sedimented along with the rocks. Metallic minerals are usually very hard and they have a shine on their own. But non-metallic minerals are lusterless. They are not usually as hard as metallic minerals. The examples of metallic minerals are iron, copper, bauxite and tin. Few examples of non-metallic minerals are salt, coal, mica and clay. Now we can discuss the few characteristics of minerals in general. The minerals have certain unique characteristics. The first characteristic is that the minerals are not evenly distributed over space. They are not found evenly on the earth. All minerals are not present in all parts of the earth, and every mineral are not present in the equal amount in any part of the earth. The second one is minerals are exhaustible. That is, every mineral found in the earth has taken long time to form. So as it is being extracted, they are exhaustible because they cannot be replenished immediately. It means that they cannot be produced immediately. So they need to be conserved at the moment. All the minerals are to be used with concern. The third characteristic is that all minerals do not have uniform properties. Maybe the physical property, that is mass, density, that also differs. Also the chemical composition of each minerals differ from each other. The fourth characteristic is that every minerals are different in color, luster and texture. Apart from that, minerals have inverse relationship in quality and quantity. It means that good quality minerals are less in quantity than low quality minerals. So these are the general characteristics of the mineral. A development of a country is not only based upon the agricultural product but also minerals. The reason is that the agriculture is promoted by the minerals present in the soil, maybe naturally or in the form of fertilizers. Minerals in India. India is rich in many minerals because of its various geographical structure like mountains and wide stretch of plateaus. Its mineral resource is considerably important to the world standard because India is ranking high in iron ore, coal, mica and manganese. Apart from that, India also has extensive reserve of chromite, bauxite and limestone. Let us discuss each mineral in detail with its formation, characteristics, uses and distribution in India. Coal. Let us discuss the distribution of coal and the other characteristics of coal in India. Coal usually occurs in the sedimentary rocks. It is actually formed when plants and ferns were buried in the swamp forest. It means the forest along the riverside. During the flood, when the trees and the ferns and the decayed organic matters are dumped and get sedimented under the earth's surface, they form as coal after millions of years. How it is being formed means heat and pressure is being exerted by many layers over this decayed plants. As a result of it, their physical and chemical characteristics changes to form as a coal. Generally, coal contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and small amount of phosphorus and sulfur. Generally, it has 60 to 90 percentage of carbon, 1 to 12 percentage of hydrogen, 2 to 20 percentage of oxygen and nitrogen to 1 to 3 percentage and little of phosphorus and sulfur. This is the general composition of coal. Depending on the amount of carbon, moisture and volatile matter present in the coal, coal can be classified into 4 categories: anthracite coal, bituminous coal, lignite coal, peat. Anthracite coal. It is the hardest and highest quality of coal as it has the carbon content of over 90% and it burns slowly without smoke and even leave very little ash behind. It has a high heating value. It is ideal for domestic use as it is a smokeless fuel with high calorific value. It is used for metallurgical processes and in iron and steel industry. Reserves in India is found only in Jammu and Kashmir in India. Bituminous coal. Its carbon content varies from 50 to 80 percentage. It is hard and black. It makes about 80 percentage of total coal output in the world. It is widely used for household purposes like cooking and other purposes. It is popularly used in various industries. High-grade bituminous coal is used in blast furnaces for smelting iron. It means that extracting iron from its ore. It is used to produce coke, coal gas and steam coal and is therefore called cooking coal. High-grade bituminous coal is used for domestic purposes. It is found mainly in Gondwana coalfields. Let us discuss about Gondwana coalfields in later of our presentation. Lignite coal. It is a low-grade coal and also known as brown coal of its color brown in nature. It is soft with high moisture content. Its carbon content varies from 35% to 50%. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Kerala and Puducherry. The main purpose of lignite coal is used for generation of electricity. Peat coal. It has the least carbon content, that is below 35% of carbon and is inferior to other three varieties of coal. It represents the first stage of transformation of wood into coal. In India, it is found in Nilgiris Mountains in South India, Kashmir Valley, and swampy areas of coastal plains. Now let us discuss a few uses of coal. It is used in thermal power plants, that is extracting energy from burning the coal, that is for generating electricity. It is used as a source of heat and energy for domestic purposes. It is used for manufacturing iron and steel. It is also used as raw material in many other industries like any metallurgical industries. Chemicals such as ammonia and benzol are obtained as byproducts from the gases which are released when the coal is burnt in a closed chamber to get metallurgical coke. Apart from that, it is also used in making potteries, building materials like cements, burning of bricks and tiles, and in iron and in brass foundries, etc. Distribution. Where it is being distributed in India. Bituminous coal is generally found in India. In India, coal is found in two main fields, Gondwana fields and tertiary fields. Gondwana fields. It means that the coal in the coal field is of about 200 million years in age. It accounts for 98% of the total coal reserves in India. It is almost free of moisture. It is found in the river valleys of Damodar, Mahanadi and Godavari. Gondwana coal deposits are also found in West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Children, kindly refer to a map of political division of India to know the deposits as it is being discussed. The important coal bearing formations of Gondwana coal field are collectively known as Damudas and they all belong to the lower Gondwana system. Gondwana coal is almost free from moisture and also contains sulfur and phosphorus in small variable quantities. The tertiary coal fields of India as compared to the Gondwana coal usually possess more high moisture content, more sulfur and also associated with high marine sediments in it. They are generally found in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Nagaland. Besides that, brown coal or lignite is also found in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and inland basins of Rajasthan. The Neyveli lignite field in Tamil Nadu is the largest lignite deposit field in South India. Distribution in India. India ranks third in the world after the USA and China in the coal production. The oldest coal field in India is in Raniganj in West Bengal. The largest coal field is in Zaria in Jharkhand. And this tabular column will give you the distribution of Gondwana coal field in India. It is must for you to learn all the states and two centers of each state. So the questions will be on giving the centers and asking you the state of the coal field, or they will give you the coal field state and ask you to write the two centers. From this tabular column, we can know that the highest distribution of Gondwana coal fields are found in Jharkhand, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. So it is must for you children to learn thoroughly this tabular column. For each state, learn at least 2 to 3 centers and know all the names of the centers so that when the center is given, you are able to write the state where it belongs to. So this is the part 1 of the minerals lesson, that is coal distribution, characteristics, uses has been completed. So listen to the presentation more than one time and read the book content which is given in the PDF form, and along with it worksheet 1 has been given to you. So try it without seeing and referring. Thank you children.